Look, price action. You have a high, money moving out of the market. There's no way, in my opinion, this price can be sustained. So it has to crash because money's moving out. Look at this over here. Low and another low. What's happening during this time? Price action's moving down. What are the whales doing? Buying in. What happens? The market moves back up. How we doing, guys? Travis Martin here, coming at you on Thursday. Hope you're doing well. Guys, if you've been on our website lately, we've been doing a lot of updates, giving you guys a fresh new feel to the website. We're in this phase right now where I was like, man, talking to the team, like, we just gotta, this is where we're at. So we changed the front page. We want to get you guys, anybody listening to my voice, we want to get people there. We want to get you prepared before the bull run. And part of thinking about how to get people prepared for this bull run was to reassess the website and say, do we have the highest quality data to help people make the most money possible? Are we money motivated? Yes, unshamefully, we are money motivated. It's the only reason why we get up in the morning and we do what we do. It's the only reason why, we look at these charts and we've got $250,000 in our crypto accounts. It is to make money, guys. So with that being kind of what was lingering over us of like, we want to help you guys make money in these markets. The metrics have been really good, but there's one metric, guys, out of all the ones we've had on here, although you may have liked it, we are going to be removing it because it is honestly, to a degree, deceptive. And that is long versus short trades. I know a lot of people hearing me right now, they're like, yep, totally agree. Here's the deal, guys. I don't have it on here to show you because we already removed it, but we replaced it with another metric that's going to blow you guys away. It is going to be one of our best metrics ever placed on the website. In fact, you can't even code this metric into an indicator. You have to actually code it into a metric to make it work. I've been working on this for the last month, so it's going to be crazy. Stay for this whole video. I'll share with you guys. If you guys have watched Jake's videos on YouTube, or you've watched my videos that I've done, and I've shown you guys the long versus short trades on Bitcoin, long trades are always overextended over short trades. Here's the problem with that. That data is being pulled on all the coins that we had, and by the way, long for short trade data was only on 15 out of about 20 of our coins. The long trade volume was always over the short trade volume on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This was in a bull market and a bear market. If you take trades based off long volume being over short volume, you are going to get wrecked. And it's something that we just realized this week. And when we realized it and it hit us like a ton of bricks, we made a change immediately. So it's not like we want to make fast change when we see something that, can be improved. Another part of the thought behind this is that long and short trades, the data is only provided by one exchange, and that is Bitfinex, okay? There are a lot of exchanges out there that hold a lot of volume with these different coins and tokens. We've only been looking at one. If you guys go back and you look at the different long and short trade data on some of our coins, it's like, why is it not matching up with price? Well, it's such a small perspective based off the whole market and all the exchanges trading. And in some cases, I will even quote this, like it was actually kind of a deceptive metric. Now, was it true? 100% it was true. It was actually the truest way of showing volume we've actually ever seen in crypto, because we actually showed you guys a live volume where, you go from zero to, let's say there's $100 million in volume up here. It actually showed the difference, but it did not help anybody get into better trades or exit or enter. It actually, if you guys would have followed them on some of them, not Bitfinex's fault. I don't want to put Bitfinex out there as the bad guys, but people would have lost a bunch of money, okay? So take a look at this. We ended up doing something different where we're actually tracking the volume of transactions as well as the amount of dollars going through, and that is through the whale money flow indicator. The whale money flow looks to see what is happening with money behind the scenes. And you guys know the number one way we use this is to look at divergence. If money's moving into the market and you've got the price moving down, this is a really strong sign the whales are buying up and you're going to see a move back up in the market. I'll give you guys examples of this. This indicator, price versus whale money flow, uses a pink line for price. This price line is the most accurate possible price line you can code into an indicator within a window that reflects the price action of the price, okay? However, there are moments where it does not match up exactly with price action. Give you guys an example. Look at this right here. Take a look at this low wick, and you guys see this low wick down here. What is this? This is a lower low, a low and a lower low. It is lower than this low. If you take a look at the same duration of time, right here to here, and you take a look from here to here, it's just one example, you have what's called a higher low. It is still a low, but it is higher than this low right here. That does not give you guys a great or a perfect representation. Many times it does, but there are a few times where it cannot because it is pinned to what we call a range, just like this, okay? What we're doing is we are taking this well money flow and we are turning it into a metric so that it has perfect price action relative to well money flow, so you can spot exactly where divergences are, where money is flowing into the market, leaving retail traders abandoned to the upside or downside, and where big market shifts are most likely to take place. Let me go back to the metric and I'll show you guys. Back on Bitcoin metrics, this is a metric that is actually available on all of our coins and tokens on our entire website as of this video. If you are hearing my voice, it is updated, so go check it out, okay? So as you move down here, here's what we're calling it, the Bitcoin well money flow relative to price. And this is literally relative to the perfect price, not a guess or estimate like it has to be on that one specific indicator. So here's what we've got, guys. We've got price action that's always going to be resembled in white, and we've got the well money flow resembled in green. Let me show you guys a few scenarios here of how insanely accurate this is of predicting moves up and down. And then I'm gonna explain to you guys why. The principle behind this is that if you can track where large amounts of money are being shifted to, and really if I was to say, well money flow, another way of saying this is the inflow and outflow of the base currency, which in this case is the US dollar to Bitcoin. If you can track the decrease, the outflow, which people are selling, versus the increase, which is buying into an asset class, if you can track that relative to price, you can actually find divergences to see motives of what the whales are doing with their money, which is actually sometimes, which is called divergence, independent of price action. This is insane when you can figure this out, guys, because it gives you a huge edge. Here's what I want you guys to see. When price action was moving upwards here, we had a high and another higher high. Very, very clearly on this chart, you can see there was a high and a lower high during that same time, meaning money was flowing out of the asset that you guys are viewing during this time frame, which was abandoning retail traders or traders in general, I'm sure institutions were caught up in this as well, to the upside. After you see this divergence play out here, we saw a massive drop in Bitcoin, guys. Okay? These can be used as sell and buy signals. You guys can read a description down here, but I'm doing this, verbally with you guys right now. Here's what I saw over here. Take a look at this. Price action moved down from a low to a lower low. At the same time, what happened? Money was flowing into the market. It is not hard to see. Pretend this chart is literally cut off, if you will, with me right here. This is a low and this is a lower low. This is a low, this is a higher low. Money is moving into the asset class while the price is going down, meaning whales are buying into this. This is where we see the move back up. Also, look at this right here. Smart money, remember, whales smart money, let's go right up here, is also buying with long trades. It's why we put it below the whale smart money so you guys can see when they're buying into the market, and we also have divergence where all the money, and guys, this isn't just whales down here. I mean, it's whales, but we call them whales when we track the entire market because we figure these are big institutions, these are big retail traders. You guys are included in this as well. I just want to make that clear. When we say whales, it's the big guys that are moving this market. So when you've got whales putting money into a market while the price is going down, it is almost a certain guarantee that you're going to see the market move back up. Take a look over here. I was like, man, could we have called this drop over here? And I think we may have. Look at this. You have price action going from a low to a high. Look at exactly what you would have been able to see if you had this metric and you're watching this every morning. Look at this right here. And I'll even pull this dot over here if that's okay, because just match it up. Low, moving straight up in price action. What is happening with well money flow? It is straight up moving straight out of the market, and there's no way for this price to keep moving up because all the money's moving out. It's going to follow where money's going. And this is why I believe we're seeing this drop. What I'm watching for next is to see if Bitcoin keeps going down like this and we start seeing a turnaround in money flow. I am buying the heck out of that price action when it gets down there if I see this again. Because it's been proven to us that this is how we can call moves up and down in the market. I'm telling you guys, this will be and it will go down as one of our most powerful metrics to help you guys trade crypto. It is to actually see what's happening with money flow behind the scenes relative to perfect price. These metrics will update for you guys, so make sure you check these every single morning. Every morning, Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. Pacific time. So I won't make this long video. It doesn't need to be long, but I want to let you guys know we removed long and short trades and we gave you guys just pure, accurate data that shows you guys what's happening with money. And you can now see, we almost called this money motives, but to keep it true to what it actually exactly is money flow relative to price. So guys, I'm excited to share this with you. If you guys don't have a membership and you're watching this video, go to tradeconfident.io. There's a subscribe button. I'm already logged in, but you can, subscribe with the button up here. It's $59 a month. That metric you'll get access to on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Algorand, ApeCoin, Cosmos, Dogecoin, Avalanche. All these metrics have it. Every single one of them. So if you guys want to see what's happening with money flow behind the scenes, where your friends are probably not going to see it, you're not going to see it looking at a regular price action chart. That is what metrics do for us. That's why they're so handy, is it gives you insight behind the charts. Behind the candlesticks, guys, there's a lot in play. And when you can actually see, let's go into Ethereum for a second if you guys just want to hang out with me. I'll cut this video off here very soon. When you can kind of see what's happening behind the scenes, it's like, that is why the market's going down. Look at this. Double top formation. Once you know what you're looking for, it's very easy to spot. Look, money coming out of the market, trapping retail traders to the upside, huge move down. Okay, anybody taking long trades right here, they're like, oh, we're going up, we're breaking the high, we're going back up to this up here. No, you have no money following you on that trade. It's already moving out of the market and the market moved back down. Okay, it's like, let me prove it again to you guys. Look, price action. You have a high, money moving out of the market. There's no way, in my opinion, this price can be sustained. So it has to crash because money's moving out. Look at this over here. Low and another low. What's happening during this time? Price action's moving down. What are the whales doing? Buying in. What happens? The market moves back up. Watch this on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Avalanche, your favorite coin, whatever your cult following out there. Make sure you guys are following this. It truly is going to make you guys better retail traders and some of you guys are, larger institutions. It's going to help you guys too. Share this with your trading desk. Have them look at this stuff and look at the emotional index and volatility breakout detector and what the smart money is doing. If these guys are coming out here and they're buying to a degree of a metric value of 1200, guys, this thing is most likely going to turn around. Okay? If they're buying up here and you're getting up to, the 1600 value, this thing's most likely going to turn around. These are great long trade entries into the market. Not a financial advisor, but on this video here, snag it. $59 a month membership. It will be worth all of your time, guys. And tomorrow morning, I'm coming out with a future forecast where we're trading our $250,000 account up to $1 million in profit. That is the challenge that we have right now. It is so much fun, so much fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in that, but I wanted to share with you guys a new metric we released. And I'll see you guys later. All right. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.